Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to import your CSV file into your Microsoft Excel without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Excel, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to data. Go ahead and click on data, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to get data. Click on here, and then what you need to do right here, go ahead and navigate to from file, and then go ahead and navigate to from text or CSV. So go ahead and click on that. And this window here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate where you have your CSV file. So I have the file in my desktop. I have to navigate to desktop. And the next thing I want to do is to locate the file folder. So I'm going to open up this file folder. And this is a CSV file, just like what you see right here. So go ahead and select your CSV file and go ahead and click on import right here. And you have the preview of the data in your CSV file, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and click on load. And you have everything successfully imported into your Microsoft Excel right here with queries and connections right here. So this is connection tab and this is query tab. Then from here, you can try as much as possible to edit whatever you want to edit in your Excel file, and at the same time you can save this file as Excel file. You can check on all your sheets right here and you'll find out that everything still remains intact, such as the text and everything. Nothing was changed, and it is also editable. So if you want to change on anything right here, you can easily change on whatever you want to change as far as this is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this about how to use Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.